Lesson 9 Swadesh. On your mark. Match column A with column B. এবার let's read. Wardrobe. Let's do. Let's continue. Wardrobe. Let's do activity 3. Activity 4. Let's continue. Let's do activity 5, activity 6. Let's learn. Activity 7A. Let's learn. Activity 7B. Activity 8A. Activity 8B. Let's talk. Let's do activity 9A. Activity 9B.